All right, have you ever stopped to think about that digital ghost in the machine at your job? You know the one. It remembers your start date, keeps tabs on your vacation days, and most importantly, makes sure your paycheck shows up. Well, today we're pulling back the curtain on the powerful system that's secretly running our entire professional lives.
Seriously, think about it. From the second you hit submit on that job application to the day you get that big promotion, there's a single digital companion that's with you the whole way. It's like a career co-pilot, quietly navigating everything from behind the scenes. So what on earth is this thing?
It's called an HR management system, and really, it's the central nervous system for a company. It's the software that structures and manages literally everything about an employee's time there, from the moment you're just a name on an application to the day you leave. It's the hidden architecture that lets a company, whether it's got 50 employees or 50,000, run like a well-oiled machine.
So to really get a handle on this, we're going to follow that entire journey. We'll start at, well, the starting line, your very first digital handshake with a company. Then, we'll see how it becomes your daily digital hub for pretty much everything. After that, we'll look ahead to how it supports your growth, make sure everyone is playing by the rules, and finally, we'll pop the hood and see what kind of tech makes it all work.
Okay, let's kick things off right at the beginning, because your journey with a new company doesn't actually start on your first day of work. No, it starts with your very first interaction, that first digital handshake with its HR system. See, this system is designed to manage the whole employee lifecycle. It all begins with recruitment, right? It's handling the job postings, collecting applications, all that stuff. Once you're in, it flips over to daily operations, managing your data, your schedule, your pay. As you settle in and start growing, it tracks your performance, helping with reviews and professional development. And woven through all of this is compliance, making sure everything is above board. It's the backbone for your entire experience.
So you're officially hired. Now, the system kind of transforms. It's no longer just a gateway you pass through, it becomes your daily partner. It's the central hub for all the admin stuff, freeing you up to, actually do your job.
First up, think of this as your digital work passport. The employee data management part of the system is basically a super secure vault holding everything from your address and contact info to your job title and salary history. Having this one single source of truth is absolutely crucial for making sure everything else runs smoothly.
Now this is a part of the system we all know and love, right? Anytime you need to book a vacation or, call in sick, you're talking to the Leave and Attendance module. It automates the whole request process and keeps perfect records, which is not only important for your paycheck, but also helps teams plan their work.
And now for what might be the most important function of all, getting paid. The payroll processing module is the engine that does the heavy lifting. It calculates your salary, figures out all the complicated deductions for taxes and benefits, and makes sure that money lands in your bank account right on schedule. I mean, if this part goes wrong, nothing else really matters, does it?
But look, a modern HR system is so much more than just a digital file cabinet or a time clock. It's also designed to look ahead. It plays a huge part in your professional development and helping you actually build a career, not just have a job.
And this is where that career co-pilot idea really comes into play. The performance management module is built specifically to track your appraisals, document your big wins, and help you and your manager set goals for the future. It creates this formal, ongoing record of your growth, which is way more powerful than just a single, stressful annual review.
Okay, now for a piece of the puzzle that's always working in the background but is absolutely critical: keeping the company on the right side of the law. It's all about making sure everyone is playing by the same set of rules.
Having a solid compliance module is a night and day difference. With it, a company can be confident it's following all the complex labor laws, things like overtime pay or family leave, and it can generate accurate reports to prove it. Without it, you're looking at a total mess of data and some pretty serious legal risks. This module is basically the company's legal shield.
So we've seen what this amazing system does, but just for a second, let's peek under the hood and see what it's actually made of. What's the technology that makes all of this possible?
It's all built on what we call a technology stack. So the front end, that's everything you see and click on, is built with stuff like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The back end is the real engine, doing all the hard work with languages like Java or PHP. And all of that connects to a massive database, like MySQL, which is basically the system's brain, storing and fetching all that data. It's this cool combination of tech that keeps your work life running.
So there you have it. From the moment you apply for a job to your annual performance review, this single, powerful system is your career co-pilot. But I want to leave you with one final thought.
As these systems get even smarter, as they start using AI and predictive data, what does the next version of this Copilot even look like? And how is it going to shape our careers tomorrow?